What's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to install this 650 pound spring into my stock KKE shock on my 2022 Sur-Ron. I went with the nice red. Here it goes well, looks good. It's a little cheap upgrade. This set you back, what was it, 50 US, shipped from KKE Racing. Let's get it on. First you're going to want to remove your mud flap if you've got one fitted. These are a great idea to keep your shock nice and clean anyway, so if you don't have one, I recommend getting one. I picked this up for a couple of bucks from the local rubber shop and it works perfect. Next you want to undo your bolts holding your shocking rod. So all you need to do is just slide this off, slide that spring out, slide your new one in. Just a little comparison between the two, you can see the thickness of the red spring, the KKE 650 compared to the 450. Alright, let's put it all back together. And there we have it, KKE 650 spring is fully installed. Still got to set up the sag a bit better, but it's in. Ready to roll. There you go, it's about a 30-minute job, as long as you have all the tools ready to go. Wasn't too hard. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.